Okay, so this exercise asks you to put color schemes, or to choose different color schemes for each of these little sequences of circles. So for this one, you're going to do analogous. For this one, complementary, split complementary here, and tetrad, triad. You have so many circles because you're not just doing the pure color, but you're doing the tint, the tone, and the shade. And here's a little demo of that. So the pure color goes in the big circle, the tint goes here, then the tone, and then the shade. They're in order going down the wheel too. So we have pure color, tint, tone, shade. Now when you choose your color scheme, the guide is here. So here, kind of that black with the circles shows you where the colors are going to be located. And just remember, all of these can spin. So with these, I don't have to be, just pick my colors here. I could also go up here and choose them. So starting out, pick your colors. So say I wanted to do yellow. I'm going to pick the big circle with my black arrow. Oh, and no, not my black arrow because they're grouped. Let's actually use the white arrow. So remember, white arrow will grab one item in a group. So I'll grab this circle, and now I'm going to use the eyedropper, and I'm going to sample that first color. And you can pick any color you want. You don't have to go with yellow. Then now remember the command key, that Apple key will let you have the black arrow, which is handy because then you can deselect or select the new one. And to do that, or once I do that, then I'm going to pick the next color. So I could go this direction. I could do yellow, yellow, green, and green. Or I could do yellow, yellow, orange, and orange. Either way. Those are all going to be analogous. I think I'm going to stick with the orange. Do more sunshine colors. Then I'm going to go back to my command key. I'll click the next one. And I'll do my orange. So those are my three analogous colors. Then I just simply have to put in my tints, tones, and shades of those. So I'll finish them off by grabbing each one. So it's going to be really handy if you use that shortcut. It'll be a lot faster for you because you won't have to keep going back to the toolbar. Plus, if you get good at doing that, then you'll also, when we start drawing, you'll work a lot faster too because you're going to be using that shortcut a lot, hopefully. So for the rest of them, you're simply going to be following along. And remember, you can see what it is, what that scheme. If you don't remember from that looking at the digital color wheel link that's in the handout folder, if you haven't seen that, by the way, you could go there and check it out. But if you don't remember, just look here and it'll tell you what it is. Just remember these can spin. So you don't have to pick red and green. You could also pick blue and yellow, or orange rather, or purple and yellow. So just go ahead and pick and use this wheel because you do need the tints, tones, and shades. And remember, complement goes straight across. So my yellow green's complement's going to be red violet. So I'll go ahead and do this one. And then I would fill in the rest, the tints, tones, and shades. For split comp, you choose the complement, but on one side you choose the color to either side of it. So example, if I chose blue, instead of choosing the complement orange, I'm going to choose red orange or yellow orange. So let's do that one. Blue, yellow orange, red orange. And then I would fill in the tints, tones, and shades on all of those. Tetrad, instead of choosing the complement, I choose the color on either side, on both ends. So, for example, instead of choosing green and red, I would choose my yellow, green, blue, green on one side, and then my red, violet, red, orange on the other side. And finally, with the last one, it makes an equilateral triangle anywhere on the wheel. So I'm just going to draw a triangle visually. If I wanted to do primary triad, I would choose my blue, red, and my yellow. And then just finish these in with tints, tones, and shades, and that's all there is to it. Name it, last name, first name, EX10.